Hamedi Rimdi, my age is 60 years. Originally from Morocco, now I am a French citizen. And I came from France to Singapore in 2011. My company asked me to come to Singapore in order to run a big organization that is headquartered here in Singapore. My job is to run the logistic organization for this company. The logistic organization is a worldwide organization where we have operations in 11 countries, and we are running warehouses, 22 warehouses around the world, and managing transportation. So we came here with my wife in 2011. We have left. We lived here in Singapore, so life was quite easy. The country is nice, and we have seen that also our contribution to Singapore was important, both through our professional work, but also through our involvement in the community, because we are part of some associations, some clubs. We have integrated very well, so we have said, okay, let's try and to see if we can become PR. So our stay in Singapore would be, our commitment in Singapore would be higher. Yeah, we have applied first time in 2019, if I remember well, and our first attempt was not successful. Discussing with some Singaporeans, some other people that went to PR, they were said that it was almost business as usual. Very few people get their PR at the first attempt, so therefore we have just took it that it was the first step in the procedure, and we said, okay, let's go for the second one and see. Frankly speaking, when I want to do a PR, discuss with some friends, I had also some Japanese friends. They have tried by themselves without any support of any company, and they confirmed to me that it was really a nightmare. So therefore, when I heard this, I said, okay, I will not do it by myself. I need absolutely somebody to help. So obviously there are fees to pay, but I have considered that paying the fees is worth it. I went on internet, made some search, etc., and I have found that there are mainly two companies, IASG and another one, I don't remember the name. So I asked to meet both the companies. So I met somebody here in ISG, and I went also to meet the other company. So after the meeting, I asked for quotation, they give me the quotation, and at the end I have chosen ISG because I had a better feeling with ISG. ISG is not only about the last few weeks. I had a lot of meetings with ISG. I had a lot of questions to ISG. I had a lot of support from ISG and guidance all along the process. And I must recognize that Rehan each time has been perfect. One, in terms of availability, so when I need him, he's always available. Two, in terms of professionalism and let's say expertise on the subject. So I had always the feeling dealing with Rehan that he knows what he's speaking about and he's giving really the right advice. So this is all along while preparing for the submission. Then we submitted, then I got the in-principle approval. So I went back to Rehan. Okay, now Rehan, this is where we are, what should we do? So he said, don't worry, this is what we have to do. Those are the documents that you have to prepare. Those are the steps that you have to follow. So he was really helpful. And in fact, the last hiccup is when I got my IPA, my wife was in France. So she was in business trip, holiday mix trip in France. So I said, okay, so we will not make it for the deadline that is defined by ICA, so what should we do? So here also he has supported, and he said, okay, I prepared a letter for you, just send it to ICA, they will extend, explain, etc. So he prepared the letter, I only sent. We got our extension. My next move in Singapore is first to get the PR and then to continue to be committed to Singapore, both professionally in my domain, that is logistic transportation, and logistic transportation both with the company that I am working for, but also with some initiative that the government of Singapore is having, and I will try to contribute with my experience. So this is on the professional part. On the personal part, so obviously we will be moving, we will probably be buying a home. You know, we have been renting, but now that we are PR, and as we are committed in long term to Singapore, we will be probably buying a home here in Singapore and settle in Singapore.